Inflammation is the body's natural response to injury or illness, but chronic inflammation can lead to various health issues. To combat this, you can turn to anti-inflammatory drinks that not only help reduce inflammation, but are also delicious and easy to make. In this video, we'll share 5 tasty drinks you'll actually look forward to sipping. Turmeric is a powerhouse spice known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Combined with milk, it creates a creamy and soothing drink that feels like a treat. Here's how you can make it. 1 cup of almond milk, or your preferred milk, 1 teaspoon turmeric, a pinch of black pepper to help absorb curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, half a teaspoon cinnamon, and honey or maple syrup to taste. Heat the milk and stir in all the ingredients. Enjoy this warm, golden drink at night for its soothing properties. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more health-boosting recipes. Ginger is another fantastic anti-inflammatory ingredient, and paired with lemon, it creates a refreshing and tangy tea. Here's what you need. A 1-inch piece of fresh ginger, grated, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, honey to taste, and hot water. Steep the ginger in hot water for about 5 minutes, then add lemon juice and honey. It's perfect for a morning or afternoon pick-me-up. 3. Green smoothie with spinach and pineapple. A green smoothie packed with anti-inflammatory goodness is a great way to start your day. Spinach, rich in antioxidants, and pineapple, which contains bromelain, an anti-inflammatory enzyme, make this smoothie a refreshing option. You'll need 1 cup of spinach, half a cup of pineapple chunks, half a banana, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, and 1 cup of coconut water. Blend all the ingredients until smooth, and enjoy this green powerhouse. 4. Berry green tea smoothie. Berries, particularly blueberries and raspberries, are loaded with antioxidants and have anti-inflammatory effects. Combine them with green tea for an energizing and delicious smoothie. You'll need 1 cup of chilled green tea, half a cup of blueberries, half a cup of raspberries, 1 banana, and a few ice cubes. Blend everything together, and you'll get a tangy, refreshing drink that's perfect for any time of the day. If you're enjoying this content, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. 5. Cucumber mint cooler. Cucumbers are hydrating and anti-inflammatory, making them a perfect base for a cooling drink. The addition of mint makes it even more refreshing. You'll need 1 cucumber, thinly sliced, a handful of fresh mint leaves, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and sparkling water or regular water. Combine the cucumber slices, mint leaves, and lemon juice in a glass. Top with sparkling water or regular water and enjoy this light, refreshing beverage. These anti-inflammatory drinks are not only beneficial for your health, but also incredibly tasty and easy to prepare. Add them to your daily routine and see how they help reduce inflammation while keeping you hydrated and refreshed. Like this video and subscribe to the channel for more healthy tips and recipes.